Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Amber's Language, Music and Play video tutorials. This tutorial forms part of my Les animaux topic or animals topic. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the background to the song Trois petits singes, three little monkeys. And in this particular song, they're bouncing on the bed. So, how do I do this in class? Well, we have our three monkeys, our trois petits singes, un, deux, et trois. And we take a big blanket and we bounce them up and down on the blanket, and then they fall off the bed one by one, and we count how many we've got left until we've got none left. If you've been to an English playgroup, you'll probably have come across an English version of this song, which is or something that's very similar to it. Okay, so in the class when I teach this song, I don't normally use signs because we're all holding the blanket, bouncing the monkeys up and down. But I am going to talk you through the signs of this song in case you want to do it as a signed song at home. Okay, so we have trois petits singes, three little monkeys. The sign for little that I'm using is like a child little, because we're imagining them as children, small monkeys. So trois petits singes font des bonds, do little jumps. There's lots of different words in French for jump, predominantly sauter and bondir. I used the noun bon, jumps, font des bonds, do the jumps, because it gives the idea of repeated movement, jumping up and down. So trois petits singes font des bonds, do some jumps, jump up and down, sur le lit, on the bed. And you can just put your bed there, like that. Okay, so we have trois petits singes font des bonds sur le lit. L'un, one of them, l'un, il tombe. So if you've got your fingers on your hand, make them fall over. Okay. L'un, il tombe. Et il pousse un cri. He shouts. Il pousse un cri. Au secours, help. Au secours. Maman, maman, mum, mum. And you have your three fingers on your hand there to make the shape of the M. Maman, maman. Maman dit de ne pas faire des bonds. And mum says not to jump. Okay, so I'll go through the lyrics again for you. It's trois petits singes font des bonds sur le lit. L'un, il tombe et il pousse un cri. Au secours, help. Maman, maman. Et maman dit de ne pas faire des bonds. Okay, so then we count the monkeys and we've got two left. And then finally we've got one left. And I'm going to talk you through the words for this because it changes slightly. So we have un petit singe fait des bonds. So rather than font, which is when there's more than one, it's fait. So un petit singe fait des bonds sur le lit. L'un, il tombe et il pousse un cri. Au secours, maman, maman. Et maman dit de ne pas faire des bonds. Okay, so that's the background to that song, and you can find the actual song in another tutorial. Thanks for listening. Au revoir.